What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Car Beats, man. Back with a POV, as y'all can see, in the Hellcat, man. You know what I'm saying? My fast Hellcat, you feel me? But y'all see, we got the big boy VMS's on the cat, man. I can't tell me, bro. Before we do anything, comment down below and tell me, man, how hard your wheels set up look, bro. And the tail lights go black. You feel me? If you ain't noticed, bro, I blacked out the tail light, man. You know, finally did my little 1-2. But come on, car crew, bro. Just look at Scarlet, man. Like, bro, them mud look too hard, dog. Like, no matter how you look at it with that wheel, bro. Like, just look at that mud. I'm putting it in regular look, bro. Boy, that mud clean, dog. I ain't gonna lie, car crew. I love this setup. I love this setup, bro. Like, I really done fell in love with it. Like, I've been like racing wheel because it's a little hard, but when you got it on your own, and it like, you feel me, your car really hard without them, shoot, what? Just to that mud chop. But yeah, man, like, hey, feel me? Nigga, we ready. Ugly ass. But yeah, y'all see by the title, man. We're gonna do a few little hard pulls with the drag pad on. Oh, the future plan. You tripping. We're gonna show you stick talk. We're gonna stick 'em talk, you feel me? We're gonna get right. We're gonna get y'all a little different little angle. I'm gonna have y'all boys up here. But y'all like being up here. I might put y'all boys up here, bro. They do look kind of smooth. Just so I can still be kind of hands-free and y'all can see everything. But yeah, we're probably gonna do that when I get y'all boys the outside view. I'm gonna change the camera viewer right quick. And hopefully y'all boys like it. If y'all do, man, I keep making more POVs like this. But y'all give me 1 second. All right, car crew, man. Yeah, see we got y'all boys on the new little setup. Y'all let me know if how y'all like this, bro. I probably won't do that all the time, but I do just like how I view everything, you feel me? They probably gonna be a little shaky. Hurry up. Probably gonna be a little shaky, but you know, we good. We just gonna start the video off and straight into it with a little 1-2. Turn the AC off. With a little 1-2. Let y'all boys just hit the wine a little bit. Hopefully the mic pretty good. I know the mic be kind of behind, like the screen when you in the back camera. The good mic be used. Yeah, man, we're gonna get a little hard pulls. We're in street mode, by the way. We gotta wait till the truck get out of the way. Boy, that car be pulling, car, bro. Be pulling, I ain't gonna lie. Yeah, boys, a light little stick 'em. Stick 'em. Damn, bro, them wheels is lighter in the back, you can tell. Even when it's spinning, you can tell the difference. Trying to let that truck get further away. But it seems like it just slow down, I slow down. Still not full throttle, bro. I'm just getting into it. Get into the power band. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's what I'm doing. Get into the power band. Thank you, you finally turned it. Goodness gracious. Get out of the way. Hellcat coming through. Me and my crew. We swinging in the room. Yes, sir. right there, man. A little back road action. Who said Challenger can't take curves, nigga? Bro, when the suspension is in street, bro, the whole car like, bro, all that junk just boom, you feel me? Straight down, bro. That's on slight, man. Little hard pulls in the candy. Yeah, boy, a nice one right here, though. Hold on. You're right. Nice one right here. Let me get right. Let me get right. Oh, forgot about this. Little Roy to turn around here. Hold on, car. Hold on, car. Let me get y'all boy right. Do a quick little lunge, man. No, I'm not finna do no burnout or nothing like that. Put the traction in. Put the traction on. What is it? Hey, bud. I see what they saying about how they say it feel like you all over the road when you got your streets in the front and your slicks in the back. They're gonna weight different. These wheels, the regular stock wheels, super heavy. Don't wheel super light. That mud look pretty good though, car. What y'all think? And I did full throttle. I ain't showing the full potential, you know what I'm saying? I ain't trying to, can't get y'all boy, you know what I'm saying, massage, nigga. Can't get y'all boy massage, cause not right now. I gotta, let me perfect some stuff first. You feel me? I ain't even really played with the car, but that just me learning to see how bad it going. The mud do alright though. Okay. I think my bed, ooh boy, car crew man. I ain't gonna even say nothing. Let's enjoy the POV, cuz. And it's just the fact it costs so quiet. You can't even hear nothing but the wine. The only thing you can hear is the wine. That's pretty much it. But nah, the drag pad nice though. I ain't gonna lie. That mud nice. It made the back end of the car feel different. Or feel a tad bit lighter, not much, but just a little bit. Like just like that much just feel. It's still spinning. Don't get me wrong, she's still spinning, cuz. But not like that. It's more like a chirp, you know what I'm saying? It was a chirp with the nittos, depending on how hot they was. But with the nittos you can really get crazy. Oh, my boy calling me. I can't talk right now, cuz I'm doing a video. Is it still recording? My bad, Dank. I got you. I know you may watch this video one day. I'm recording, gang. I will call you back in a split second, cuz give me a few more minutes. Oh yeah, trying to stay consistent. Look at y'all boy one more. Stick 'em. They even, like, the car shift different with these on. Like, when I do that, bro, that kind of, like, roll. Like, when they do that, and then that half of, not even half a second, that millisecond pause and go into it. They didn't do that with the stock, bro. It just, the stock just keep, you know what I'm saying? That's crazy. That's crazy. Feel me? Now you can hear the supercharger. I guess I needed the window down some more. Yeah, car crew, man. Something quick, something slight. Bro, y'all ever seen somebody do donuts on a drag pack? Do y'all want to see? Look it up. Man, y'all tripping. I ain't doing that one. I don't even trust that, boy. I don't care how much power I'm making. I don't care how much power I'm making, boy. Donuts on a slick or on the radio? No, not these. On no Nitto, yeah. These, no. You talking about sticky? Ooh, woo. Yeah, let me get through there. Take me through there. Where you going? Look at that. Oh, hold on. Sing to me, baby. Ooh, let me slow down, though. This is territory right here, you know what I mean? If you know, you know. When I say this territory, let me slow down. Ooh. Yeah. Hey. Yeah, car crew. Y'all see what's going on, man. Out here on the drag packing the cat. Man. Look at that. But y'all let me know if y'all like the view though, you feel me? It's still like POV. It show the whole inside of the car and y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, what's in front. You know what I'm saying? Something slight. Let me know. I know nothing don't really beat, you feel me, like the POV, like actually, you know, on my head, like, y'all see everything, I see whatever I'm looking at, you know what I'm saying, if I turn my head. But yeah, this is just like something like, you know, something slight, something cool. But I use this angle for like Instagram and stuff too. Y'all let me know a TikTok, like put the camera over here, have it facing me like if I be on live or something, driving the whip. Or just doing views like this in portrait, making reels. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna see though. We'll see though, man. Probably get about one more second, get pulled, something slight, not nothing too crazy. Or just let y'all hear a little whine. Either one. But I'm trying to see. Man, the days I be having all day like this, everybody be busy, bro, at work. It's like I be the total opposite, bro. It's not crazy. We have solo dolo. And when I do be off on the weekend, get what niggas be doing? Nothing. Or they tell me they ain't doing nothing. Or they busy. And this for niggas that be out every weekend. I get both a little small one. That's all y'all get, man. I am not doing nothing over here. But yeah. Let me get y'all boy that love. But listen to that wine though. But yeah, man, car crew, you want to get y'all boys on hardcore. Y'all boys give me an idea video I did, man, what y'all want to see, or even Instagram stuff like that. Y'all want to see me have like the mic plugged up to the in the supercharger, like, you know, near the engine, bro, so y'all can hear the whine. I got the microphone, bro. Like, I'm telling y'all, boy, bro, I got a lot, bro. Y'all boys just gotta tell me so I can do it. I ain't gonna wait my time doing something that ain't gonna really benefit nothing, but y'all ain't rocking with it, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to eliminate the process. But that's gonna be a wrap, man, for today's video. Make sure y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, man, if you are new. Hold on. Make sure y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new, man. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. And for all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the meeting, stay prayed up, stay blessed out here in these streets, man. Follow and try to obey. You know what I'm saying? God, man. Follow, obey, learn the word. Just didn't know it. You know what I'm saying, y'all boy, you know what I'm saying? Try to get it to your word, Mo. You feel me? And actually try to like break bad habits. Like I said, we're not perfect. It ain't gonna happen overnight. Try your best to make it happen, you know what I'm saying, as soon as possible. And I'm talking to myself too, you feel me? Like, it be hard, bro, I ain't gonna lie. Like, you know, you can say one thing, but you gotta do it, you feel me? So, that's why I say, y'all boy, don't ever think I'm trying to make it seem like I got my life, all my ducks in a row, bro, because I don't. I promise. The Lord is just so good. And got so much, and got great grace and favor, bro. Even though that grace and favor don't last forever, but he got good grace and favor, bro, and make it look good. You feel me? And make, you know what I'm saying, just keep me blessed. And I really, 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 really appreciate that, you know what I'm saying, from the bottom of my heart, man. I thank God every day. Pray to God every day. I try to live the best way I can live, you know what I'm saying? I know, like I said, I still have habits that need to be broken, but I still try to hold myself accountable and be in my mind like, hey, man, you know, we gotta tighten up. We gotta tighten up, like, you know, try to get better, slow that down, you know what I'm saying? Like, all that good stuff, bro. Some things are better, easier than others. But I'm just letting y'all boys know, you know what I'm saying? Know everything. I'm trying to make it seem like I'm perfect when I say that at the end of my video. I just feel like that needs to be said. For anybody out there that watching, stay motivated, man. You got this, bro. Don't feel weary. Don't dwell on stuff that you can't control, you feel me? Just do what you can do, bro, to make the situation better from where it's at. You know what I'm saying? To trust God in everything that you do, and acknowledge him and put him in everything that you do, bro. Keep him first and allow him to guide you. You know what I'm saying? B5 blue scat with no tint. But yeah, man, y'all boys. But anyways, also like I said on in my video, man, I'm out of here like yesterday.